Hi guys, look at all the lace that I got from my mom. So I went to Florida for a month and this is all the lace that she had. Well, no, this is a little bit of her stash. And she said, I don't think I'm gonna use it. So I said, oh, well, I will. So look at all the lace. Look, I mean, I'm just gonna show you. I had to come into the house and put it on my dining room table. It went in a white trash bag, and she's been buying, this is vintage, I know. She's been buying stuff for so long. I mean, it's just bags and bags. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think she was listening to my videos when I said I want to get back into playing with lace. So, I mean, oh man, I just can't. That's a collar. And if it's stained, then I don't think it is. Everything's brand new. Everything's brand new, some vintage. But look at this. Look, look, look. Oh my Lord. I didn't even have a chance to look at it. I didn't even open the packages. Look at these. I mean, all right, look at the pink. Look, dangles. Oh, look at this. Wow. Look. I mean, I could keep going on and on forever. Oh, that's beautiful. I mean, a bag full of stuff. There's even kits in here that she had bought. Look how beautiful. Oh, with the beading. Oh, look how much. What is this? Oh my goodness. There's just so much, and I couldn't put it all together. Oh, what's that? Oh, look at there. Wow. Oh my Lord. Oh, look at this. So, yeah, I mean, roses, trim, let's see, more and more and more. It just non-stop. This is a kit, it looks like. More dangles on this one. Oh, look at the hearts. And it has little bows. Let's see. These are little roses. Oh, that's pretty. But I think, oh, look, doilies. Oh, look at that. I mean, it's all brand new. She's just not able to craft like she used to. And so, yeah, I mean, there's just so much. That's a tablecloth. This is a kit. This is pink. Oh my Lord. So guys, this is, what is this? Vintage? Wow. I mean, look at it all over here on this side. I could just keep pulling and pulling. And wow, it's just so much. And of course I can use it, and I love that she gave this to me. Thank you, Mom. I love it so much. Wow. Do you think I should get back into lace? I think I should. I want to get back into lace. I'm working on something right now with lace. So, yeah, guys, look at all this gorgeousness from my mom. Thank you, Mom. I love you.